Preparedness and Response Committee has today warned the residents of Mombasa against flouting COVID-19 regulations. The county has reported an increase in new infections compared to last month, which has been attributed to majority of residents, institutions and other businesses not adhering to COVID-19 restrictions put in place by the county and national government.
Mombasa County has reported an increase in numbers of COVID-19 infection in April compared to last month. The increase in numbers has been attributed to residents disobeying the restrictions put in place by the national and county government to curb the virus. According to Mombasa County COVID-19 Preparedness and Response Committee, 752 cases had been reported as of Thursday against 762 reported in March. The trend has now started worrying the committee as 67 positive cases have also been reported in the last 24 hours. Residents have been accused of not social distancing and overcrowding in places of worship.
Especially in the places of worship. We have noticed that in mosques, people are allowed in more than the stipulated number. In some mosques, there is even an overflow of people. You know, we should not use the excuse of the month of Ramadan to overfill the mosques. We must follow these protocols.
Speaking to journalist, Mombasa Governor Ali Hassan Joho has cautioned residents not to take the regulation lightly, as ignorance will lead to more stringent measures. The governor has also urged Muslims to be alert and adhere to the restrictions, especially during the month of Ramadan.
Now, for us to be able to defeat COVID, there are certain things that the government can do, and there are those that the citizens must do. So you don't want to get to a point where now we are forced again to make those very hard decisions of closing down places, or looking at cessation of movement to be re-implemented.
Mombasa County hospitality industry has also found a reprieve after Governor Joho announced the suspension of bed levies, extension of single business permits, and reduction of other licenses by 50%. As COVID-19 numbers continue to rise in Mombasa County, the Governor Ali Hassan Joho has warned that if residents continue to flout the COVID-19 regulations, then the county will face the same fate as the counties in the red zoned areas. For TV47, I'm Patronila Goren.